How do decision makers use HTAs? Well, they use the evidence and appraise it and then make their decision based on that evidence. We should consider that it's not only, for example, the clinical effectiveness or cost effectiveness finding that matters, but also the certainty or degree of evidence. Is the information, for example, that is the basis for the incremental cost effectiveness ratio or the basis for the clinical findings? Is this from a large sample of patients or a narrow sample of patients? Is it from 10 different independently conducted trials or from 1 or 2 studies? All of that is a decision factor that decision makers take into account. Independently, countries perform HTAs, but there is definitely an exchange of information, or if some entity starts in the new HTA process, they definitely screen what was done in other countries beforehand. And so there is exchange of information, which has good and bad implications for medtech innovators. So if there was a positive evaluation in one country, there's a good likelihood or good opportunity that it will positively affect some of the following HTAs, and the other way around, if there was a negative finding, there might be some more scrutiny, even though the processes of HTAs should be standardized, and HTA agencies try to follow standardized processes. Well, if it's a positive HTA, the information can really be used to promote the technology, and the information can be used to conduct further clinical studies following the same protocol if it was deemed to be appropriate. If there are findings or gaps that are identified in HTA reports, companies have the opportunity to respond and react to it and to fill these gaps, perform clinical studies that, for example, were identified as lacking, so that for the next round of reports or the next round of evaluations, they have a broader portfolio of evidence that is considered.